Alright guys, got a short unboxing video for you here. Another sponsorship, believe it or not. I was contacted by DeeRC, that's DeeRC. Check them out on Amazon. They wanted me to review a product for them. It's right here. Let's see what they sent me. Alright, it's a 1/12 scale brushed, looks like 9006E is the model number on this thing. 4-wheel drive, kind of a basher truck. Let's have a look inside the box. Alright, there we go. There's the first look at it. Tires feel a little hard. Whoa, that chassis slapped the ground when I dropped it. Suspension's pretty plush. Maybe we can work on that. Maybe not. I don't see any adjusters on the shocks. So it looks pretty entry level. Get this body off there we go. Brushed motor. Looks like a 380, so it is a smaller sized guy. Entry level steer servo there. Small battery pack. I wonder if we got a battery pack here. Dean's connector, that's kind of nice. And let's see what else is here. One's the battery here. This is where my knife is going to be handy. There's our battery. Looks like a 1500. Can't tell if that's 2S. Looks like 3S actually. Charger. 4-set battery. Oh, there you go. Sweeper broom. Dusting the crap out of your chassis. Spare parts bits here. Feels like hexes and maybe stub shafts. And one other piece. Looks like a screwdriver. Oh, and a tire wrench. Cool. Cool. Okay. And what do we got over here? We got another sack of goodies, which is another battery. Nice, that's 2 batteries. Okay, and a controller. And that's going to do it for that box. So, nice feeling controller. Looks like it's going to be the standard, 3 AA's. So, cool. Alright. Well, there it is. Oh, got a wheelie bar on it. That must mean it gets with it. Doesn't feel like it's adjustable. Looks like it's in about the right position. So yeah, we'll see. We'll go give this car a run. Maybe even take it over to the park and see if it'll climb something. But we'll fill you in on all of that when we get it over there. Thank you, DeeRC. I appreciate this. All right, hello, welcome back to DeeRC. Matt, Colin, and I are at the, we're gonna call it the Basher Park tonight. It's not the crawler park because we don't have a crawler here. We have the DeeRC, there it is, get it in film here. We have the DeeRC 9006E here. We're gonna see what it can do here. If it can crawl some rocks, if we can just need to avoid them. Colin's excited, as you can tell. But whatever happens, we'll make sure we get it on video for you. Come on, Colin. Come on, dude. You ready? Woo! Something. Making some noise that she shouldn't be making. There she is. Now she ain't doing it. We full shot the stair drop here. Almost full shotted it. They're driving this thing one-handed. This is 2S, she rips. Woo, that put her in the air. Man, she's easy to flip. Just leaves, I guess, yeah. She won't wheelie. That's a bummer.
I think I can take one around.
Right there?
What? Maybe like go like that.
This one's relatively cheap for these guys. This one was $90 was all. We have about 14 others of these that are well over $500 a pop, so this one's not terrible.
So you'd say it's
What's that?
So you'd say it's money for?
Yeah.
How long has it been?
About 20 minutes.
What's the scale on this?
This one's a 112.
What type of battery?
2S LiPo. I have a universal charger that'll charge almost anything. You can get just a USB type charger for them that actually comes with this car. For the 90, it comes with 2 batteries and a USB type wall charger for it. So
How much are these guys?
this one here was $90 was all.
With the remote?
With the remote. Spare tire. I mean, it comes with a lot of stuff for 90 bucks. We were impressed. And it is 4-wheel drive. And the thing rips for what you get, man. It's pretty fast.
Woo! I haven't gotten out for a long time, but I like these little guys.
Yeah, this one's fun.
What did you get it?
Amazon.
Well, what's the brand? What am I looking for?
It's a DeeRC. DeeRC. Ooh, Colin.
Durability.
Hit that one?
No, the one that he's on.
Yeah, if I can keep it straight enough. It's hard keeping it straight.
I would tell you durability.
Yeah. On the GoPro, awesome. Hopefully that'll be something good. Right? Yeah, we might as well bash it here until it's done. That other tire turning? Yeah, okay. Open diff. Alright. That was solid.
Care about launching it towards you.
Wow, that's impressive.
This is big old. I thought I was perfect.
Dude. Harrison Birds. That's some good air.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Really, definitely.
Durability testing it now.
It's hard to keep it.
I know.
Watch him.
Yeah, he's like right there on your. Hit this one. Jump over your rocky mast. Ooh, that one's not as.
I don't think I wasn't. I see where I got beat.
Nice. That's nice and smooth. you doing, dude? Whoa! What do you think of it, dude? You like it? What's up, dude? You gonna get it? Get it? Did you get it? Whoop! I cheat. Takes it pretty good though. Sure. Yeah, it's not. There we go. What are you doing, Colin? It's hard to. that bottom. He's like, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play in the stuff here, Dad. Ready? Do it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy, you find the rocks?
Yeah, he's climbing the rocks. He thinks he's a car. Oh, that's awesome. It's hard to keep it straight, ain't it? It is hard. I figured it'd be better with those skinnier tires, but not much. I thought it was gonna get wedged.
That's what I thought.
Just get it. No way. That was awesome. Oh, almost. Incredibly easy to run over yourself with it. On the GoPro, awesome. Hopefully that'll be something good.